How can I get benefit from NEoWave's analysis report series? First, study long-term NEoWave analysis report. In this report, 2.5 yearly and half-yearly wave chart analyzed on the basis of NEoWave logic. Post understanding this report, you will know long-term forecast of markets and you will develop broader, logical view of market. Secondly, you need to study mid-term NEoWave analysis report of monthly and weekly wave chart. These charts will help you to understand mid-term forecasting and develop mid-term view of market. On third step, merge both reports with traditional technical analysis, so no part of analysis should be left to fine-tune and go for fourth report. Fourth report is about short-term NEoWave analysis of daily wave chart, releasing on alternate days. This report explains short-term forecasting to do further fine-tuning. Merging short-term forecasting with traditional technical analysis, we are releasing trading update as per live market situation. This all will help you in trading and investing decision. We can't deny the fact that forecasting clarity is not present always in market, but in such situation these reports prevent you from big loss. On establishing forecasting clarity, NEoWave enlightening you about direction, price magnitude, time horizon, complexity and structure, which even more helping for option traders if clubbed with Greeks judiciously. Long-term NEoWave analysis of NSE Index Nifty. This is 2.5 yearly wave chart. Published on the 1st of January 2018. Concluding with forecast that primary degree wave 3 will enter in 10,600 to 14,400, then wave 4 should start for downside to enter below 6,357 mark. Let us check logic and analysis behind this. This chart began from 1990s, low that is 279.02 and continued up to 2017's high 10,552.40. This chart is too simple in complexity perspective, but within range to be analysis, because containing 17 NEoWaves, formed by 22 data points on 22 time units. An area from 1992's high that is 1,280.92 to 2003's low that is 920 is labeled as cycle degree wave 4, and from their last wave of cycle degree that is wave 5 began upward. Inside cycle degree wave 5, we can see primary degree wave 1 concluded at 2008's high that is 6,357.10. After that sharp sell-off composed of single NEoWave, quickly turned up and formed group of NEoWaves by exceeding 6,357.1. This scenario imposed to think. Wave 2 is still in action and forming some irregular or running corrective pattern. But if we will continue wave 2 then, we should note that till the end of 2017, wave 2 has consumed 7 time units, as compared with 9 time units of wave 4. Thus, with next slots of time, this assumed wave 2 will achieve 9 time units and may challenge to NEoWave self-defining limits. Even if we continued with wave 2 then, what about thrust in wave 3 of terminal impulse after strong corrective pattern in wave 2? What about time for next remaining wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5? Looking after internal design of primary degree wave 1 we accepted, it would be better to break a rule of similarity and balance on smaller pattern instead to challenge larger pattern. This acceptance allowed us to end wave 2 at 2,252.75 and forecast wave 3 target in between 10,600 to 14,400 for next slot of time, and then after expect wave 4. For healthy correction to extend below 6,357. This is half-yearly wave chart of NSE Index Nifty. On 2.5 yearly chart we concluded primary degree wave 3 is subdividing, and we did forecast of upside from 10,600 to 14,400. Now we have more detailed chart that is half-yearly wave chart. We are anticipating that from green dot that is 920, the whole structure is developing as terminal impulse pattern inside cycle degree wave 5. First segment of this formation, that is primary degree wave 1, finished at 6,357.1, and second segment, that is wave 2, finished at 2,589.45. From there, wave 3 forming bow tie diametric pattern, of which internal waves A, B, C, D, E, and F are concluded, but wave G yet not concluded. The structural rules of diametric are: bow tie diametric pattern is contracting in first half and expanding in second half. All 7 segments should be similar or in Fibonacci ratio by time and complexity. Wave G can achieve equality with wave A or achieve Fibonacci relationship with wave A. According to trend, whole pattern may tilt upward or downward. This chart following all rules of bow tie diametric pattern. To achieve equality with wave A, wave G required to enter an 11,187 to 12,714 on arithmetic scale, which already done. Wave G consumed 6 time units, and in whole pattern no segment had consumed more than 7 time units. Thus we can think on termination of wave G. To end wave G, we will require break of this black line and then faster retracement below wave F. If this condition be in witness on chart, then we can terminate wave 3 and open primary degree wave 4 downward. If these 2 conditions not triggered, then consider more time will require to finish wave G. Let us check more detailed chart, that is monthly wave chart. Monthly wave chart showing possibility of diamond-shaped diametric pattern. We are anticipating that from green dot that is 7,893.8, the intermediate degree wave is developing as diamond-shaped diametric pattern, which expand first then contract in second half. Here all segments are similar by 1.0 or in Fibonacci ratio of 0.618 and 1.618 by time and complexity. Wave G will achieve 0.618 ratio at 11,390 and 1.0, that is equality, at 12,248. Due to diamond-shaped diametric pattern, we require contraction in second half of the pattern. Therefore, we cannot expect market above top at wave E, so we will expect least chances of 12,248. On monthly wave chart we had forecast of 11,390 to 12,248 range for intermediate degree wave G, but 12,248 is beyond the top of wave E. Therefore said level is not suitable to contract the pattern. This will require to fine-tune on weekly wave chart. But before studying weekly wave chart, let us have a look on monthly candlestick chart. If something important is not missing, we can see the bearish DPB created in August 2018. Bearish DPB having potential to drag down the prices at least 3 times of bearish DPB's length from its low. In this case the bearish DPB target is 9,656 and bearish DPB control area ranges from 11,234 to 12,287. Great. We can notice the bearish DPB implication also synchronizing with monthly NEoWave forecast 11,390 to 12,248. Here bearish DPB resistance range will play important role if wave G will rally in bearish DPB controlled area. We also note the negative divergence, which also has negative implications. This means even though market maintaining long-term uptrend, but we can't ignore negative signals which just started to appear on chart. We can see internal structure of wave F. First corrective and second corrective pattern separated by wave X. This is complex corrective pattern called as double combination pattern. The post-pattern implication, that is PPI of this pattern, is 60 to 80% on next segment of same degree. In this case, this limit is from 11,052 to 11,410 and time-wise between February the 4th to March the 5th. We cannot ignore GRAF label, which may come in force if Nifty will go above 10,986. Weekly candlestick chart shows bullish DPB formation in second week of October 2018. Bullish DPB controlled the sell-off, given confidence to end second corrective pattern and start to rally again. Remember, when there is a presence of bearish DPB on larger chart, that is monthly chart, then this kind of move normally achieves 1x or 2x, not 3x level of DPB. The 1x level is 10,846, which already crossed, and 2x level is 11,200, which is well synchronizing with NEoWave weekly forecasting. Daily wave chart has no significant difference. The price area is same, that is 10,052 to 11,410 on this chart, and time zone also same, that is said pattern can end after February the 4th, but before or on March the 5th. The GRAF label can be fixed if Nifty prices exceed 10,986 mark. Like this, you need to develop long-term view, then step down and develop mid-term view. Finally, study short-term chart. Then, after understanding and preparing trade map, ride a wave with calculated risk. For free updates, subscribe to this channel. For our paid report service, you may visit at iitwa.com and drop a message. Thanks.